Our 19th question. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? That's our 19th question. Which planet in our solar system which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? And our options are option A, Mercury, option B, Venus, option C, Mars, and option D, Jupiter. So we have 4 options to choose from. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Answer is option C. Mars is known as the red planet in the solar system. Let's get on with our 20th question. Our 20th question is, dash and dash are the nearest Earth's neighbors. Dash and dash are the nearest Earth's neighbors. The nearest Earth's neighbors. So you had to find 2 planets that are nearest Earth's neighbors, and our options are option A, Venus, Mars. Option B, Mars, Mercury. Option C, Venus. Jupiter. And option D, Venus, Uranus. Now, which 2 will you take? Their dash and dash are the nearest Earth's neighbors. So, which is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Venus and Mars are the nearest Earth's neighbors. Our 21st question. Which of the following represents outer planets? Which of the following represents outer planets? All right, and our options are option A, planet between Earth and Uranus, planets. between Earth and Uranus? Option B, asteroids. Option C, option C, planets in gaseous state. Planets in gaseous state. And option D, planet without satellites. Planets without satellites. Let's choose from the options we have. Our question is, which of the following represents outer planets? And our option is planets between Earth and Uranus, asteroids, planet without satellite, planets in gaseous state. Which is the correct answer? Option C, planet in gaseous state. So option C, planets in gaseous state. Now, our 22nd question, let's look at. The question number 22. Why is Earth called the blue planet? Why? Why is Earth called the blue planet? That's the question. And our options are option A, the Earth atmosphere the Earth's atmosphere scatters the light. Scatters the light. And creates a blue effect. And creates a blue effect. That's the first option. And our second option is option B. The scientists have discovered that the color of the earth is blue. And the third option, option C, 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water. And our last option is option D, both. A and B. Right? Both A and B. Now our question is, why is Earth called the blue planet? And our answer is option D, both A and B. What is A? A is the Earth atmosphere scatters the light and creates a blue effect. That is one answer. That is correct. Second, the scientists have discovered that the color of the Earth is blue. So both are correct. So both A and B. Now, let's take our 23rd question. Our 23rd question is, if your weight is 60 kg, then on moon you would weigh dash. If your weight is 60 kg, then on moon you would weigh dash kg. Let's find the answer. All right. Now, option A, 6 kg. Option B, 10 kg. Option C, 600 kg. And option D, 100 kg. So if you weigh 60, then on moon, how much would you weigh? And our options are, there are 60, there are 100, 600, 10 and 6. So our correct answer is, if you are 60 on Earth, then you will be 10 kg on moon. All right. Now let's look at our questions and answers. The 19th question. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Mars is known as the red planet. Our 20th question, dash and dash are the nearest Earth's neighbors. Venus and Mars are the nearest Earth's neighbors. 21st question, which of the following represents, which of the following represents? Outer planets, a planet in gaseous state represent the outer planets. Why is Earth called the blue planet? Both A and B are the correct answers. Earth is called the blue planet because Earth's atmosphere scatters the light and creates a blue effect. The scientists have discovered that the color of the Earth is blue. Then, 23rd question. If your weight is 60 kg, then on moon you would weigh 10 kg.